Did you hear that? Somebody doesn't trust us, so they locked their car.
Smell
It smells like gum.
citrusy, apple-y.
Oh my god, he's so cute. Okay.
So, Georgia had this really bad cold morning. There was like a lot of ice. And I used a Dr. Pepper can to scrape the windshield because somebody left an empty Dr. Pepper can in the car.
It's because I love you.
So, look at those. That's pretty bad.
It's not really oh, it's kind of showing up on camera.
It's terrible.
Oh, it's better now because of the reflection of the building.
Your boy doesn't monetize his videos, so windshield is expensive. So I polish it with Mother's California Gold Brazilian car wax. Really long title. I don't know if this is gonna work. I got it. It's okay.
Helping.
Jesus.
Wow. That's out of control.
Harbor Freight, you have ruined me.
There's a kid walking over this way. He's behind us. Don't look. He's gonna see you. But I look really weird because I'm just sitting here recording you. Oh my god. Why is he walking like that?
Because he's in a hurry.
Walking with a purpose. Where are we going, babe?
Harbor Freight.
Where are we going to Harbor Freight for?
To get a bonnet for the thing, polisher that I got.
Mm-hmm.
Because I got the polisher and I got a polishing pad, but they're not compatible, and I didn't take 30 seconds to see if they work, because I'm a
Cutie pie?
cutie pie.
Yeah.
Second time to Harbor Freight today.
But I haven't been, so now it's my turn. Ah.
My grasses. A trip to Harbor Freight, and $3 later we have a bonnet for this thing, which is a bonnet polishing thing, not a pad polishing thing. So I got the pad, which I shouldn't have. Okay, so this scratch is almost gone, kinda, but the other ones are still there.
Well, you haven't gotten on that side yet.
So they're less noticeable for sure. But
Yeah, I mean the camera won't even pick them up.
it's kind of hard to even see them from the inside.
Ooh, so cute.
It looks like at
Look at that.
70% better.
70% better.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Do you know what that means? A better sale price. You can see the scratches so good from this way. But your side looks good.
It'll look better in a moment.
So round 3, babe, what's going on now?
So, all this time, the internet was telling me you don't want to use aggressive compound, just use a wax. And I use the wax and it's not really working. And all this time...
Don't you hit that cat. Look, he stopped. He was like, no. Run, kitty. Internet was wrong, right?
Internet was wrong, and all this time Danielle had some actually decent polishing compound in the bathroom. He didn't tell me. So now we're going to use that.
To be fair, you didn't ask.
It's my fault.
It will not focus. It likes you more than this other thing. Wow. Ooh.
It's going to look much better already. And after 30 minutes, it looks slightly better. You can still see the scratches there, but just think we need more aggressive compound and a little more elbow grease, because some of the big ones don't look as bad. You can kind of still notice them there, but you can't really see them from the inside as much. And it's dark, so that's helping the camera, right? Gotta wash the car, but this is a little behind the scenes. This is the little storage area we have, and where I keep a lot of the car stuff that I don't leave in Blueberry, but like the hose and the you know, car wash stuff. So that's another joy living in an apartment. Yay. Yep. We're gonna go to the little washing area. I don't even know if it's a washing area, but there's just like a hose. I mean, this car is filthy. Like, that's, oof. So after a quick little wash, you can see that the scratches on the windshield are less noticeable. If you look for them, yeah, you can see them. I don't know if you can pick them up on camera very well. The windshield's so reflective right now, it's kind of difficult to show. So I'm gonna be showing you what not to do. Okay, pretend this is a Dr. Pepper can. So what I did is I had it perfectly perpendicular to the car, and I was scraping ice with it, and that's how I got so many scratches. Growing up in a place like Idaho where it snows every year, I never realized what all the ice scrapers were plastic instead of aluminum like the can. So I scratched my windshield pretty badly, and honestly, I think I can go back and get all those scratches out, but it's just taking so much time to actually get them out. From the inside, you're not really noticing the scratches unless you're looking for them, so it's kind of better than it was before. I didn't even want to make this video because it's so embarrassing how I scratched up a windshield. Like mainly because I haven't had much content on the actual channel. I could have just fixed it on the side without telling you guys and probably couldn't tell, but yeah, this is really embarrassing. When I saw all those scratches, somebody's coming. Almost wanted to sell the car out of just a rage. When I saw those scratches, I was like, man, this is the final straw. I just need to get rid of this car. This is my 4th IS300, and I'm not about to get a 5th one because of how I ruined it. Like, if I could do it all over again, I probably wouldn't buy this car again because it's been such a pain in the rear. Like, everything that could go wrong with it has gone wrong. Being that it's my only car and I live in an apartment complex, it kind of drags my motivation down to actually work on this thing and make it nicer. And realistically, I can go on and on all day about how much I dislike this car, about how terrible it is on gas and everything that's wrong with it. But keep in mind, guys, I am working on getting a second vehicle for the channel. Even if my other car becomes more of a main project and this is more of a backup weekend daily driver thing, but as of now, it's my only car, and I just kind of put up with it, even though it fights me every step of the way. But yeah, depending on what car I get next, this car might become the main project that I'm working on or a side project, but regardless, this car is sticking around with the channel. Mainly because I don't want to get rid of it and get another one. It seems very repetitive, and I just need to suck it up and kind of, like, at the rate this is going to become, I hate using the word missile car, and being that this car has such a high mileage and like the body is just, it's not perfect. The car is like 4 different shades of blue. This might turn into an actual missile car once I get it converted to manual. You can't really notice it on camera very well, but this car's been sprayed multiple times, and it doesn't help that I got rid of my grill a while ago and I painted it, and it's not the perfect color blue match, but hey, you can't really tell from a 10 feet away. And with that, I'm gonna end the video. If you're still watching this, thank you for watching. I know I haven't been very active in the channel, mainly because I've just been working. I haven't really done anything to the car, and I really dislike making talky videos like these, so I'm trying to plan things ahead so I don't just talk in front of the camera and actually do some stuff. But you know, everything takes money. You know how it is. But everyone, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and yeah, peace.